Hey Stephanie Cat and Evil Stephanie Cat, today we are going to supermarket for shopping to buy tomatoes, spaghetti, onions, and fruit. I want you to be on your best behavior, and as for you Evil Stephanie Cat, if you misbehave at supermarket at shopping, then you will be grounded, understand?
Yes mom, you understand.
Good. That's what I want to hear. Alright, let's go.
When they got to the supermarket.
Alright, we are at the supermarket for shopping, so we have got 4 things on the list, like tomatoes, spaghetti, onions, and fruit.
Hey mom, can we buy some chocolate cake?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because we are not buying a chocolate cake in a supermarket. We are buying tomatoes, spaghetti, onions, and fruit.
No, I want chocolate cake, I want chocolate cake, I want chocolate cake, I want chocolate cake.
My evil clone, Mom said that we are not buying chocolate cake at the supermarket. We are buying some tomatoes, spaghetti, onions, and fruit.
I don't care. I want what I want. I want some chocolate cake and that's final.
Evil Stephanie Cat, if you misbehave at the supermarket one more time, then you will be grounded.
That's it. I'm going to destroy the entire supermarket.
Oh my god Evil Stephanie Cat, what is the matter with you? You destroyed the entire supermarket. Now I have to pay a lot of money for the damages you have caused.
But moment, mi normal clone, I'm sorry.
No, sorry is not going to help anything. You are grounded until March begins.
Let's go home right now, and when we get home, you will go straight to your room.
When they got home.
Go to your room right now. Because you are grounded until March begins.